Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Just a quick reminder before we get started, the product buy link is available in pinned comment and description. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe as we roll right into today's focus. So today we are looking at the highly rated OXO Good Grips vegetable brush.
Yeah, and it's currently sitting at number 2 in fruit and vegetable cleaning brushes, which is pretty impressive because, most vegetable brushes on the market are basically just stiff blocks of plastic.
Right, exactly. It's just rigid blocks with bristles.
Yeah, they don't account for the actual shape of the food you're cleaning at all. But we're looking at a tool designed specifically for tough vegetables like carrots, beets, broccoli, using these heavily reinforced nylon bristles.
But what sets the design apart isn't just the bristles themselves, it's actually the body of the brush.
The body has that built-in flex to it.
Yeah, it functions a lot like an all-terrain vehicle. The flexible body acts as a suspension system, so it actively bends to follow the round, bumpy contours of the produce.
Right, it gets the bristles down into the deep crevices instead of just scraping aggressively across the high points.
Which is huge.
Oh, totally. By conforming to the unique landscape of the vegetable, the tool is doing a lot of the mechanical work for you. You don't have to awkwardly contort your wrist to hit every single angle.
But so here's a question. If you're holding a soaking wet, bumpy potato, right, and you're scrubbing it aggressively with nylon bristles, you're still exerting a lot of downward force.
Right. Yes, you definitely are.
And usually that translates into an immediate hand cramp. So doesn't all that aggressive gripping strain the user's hand?
Well, that structural tension is exactly where the handle design comes into play. It's engineered using an ergonomic, pressure-absorbing rubber.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you press down, the material actually compresses to absorb the physical shock of the scrubbing motion. That keeps the force from transferring directly into your finger joints.
That definitely explains the comfort aspect. And looking at the composition of that handle, it's actually made from the exact same material used for dishwasher gaskets.
Wait, really? The same material?
Yeah, the heavy-duty seal that keeps boiling water from flooding a kitchen floor.
Wow, that is fascinating.
Right. Which means it is inherently slip-proof, even if your hands are completely coated in soap.
And obviously, you can just throw it straight into the dishwasher to sanitize it. It solves the hygiene problem and the grip problem simultaneously.
Right. But wait, hold on a second. Rubber grips are pretty standard on basically everything now. I mean, you go buy the $2 store spatula, it has a rubber grip.
Yeah, that is a fair point.
So does this specific OXO design actually prove its worth? Or is this just, standard marketing for a basic kitchen tool?
No, it actually has a measurable medical distinction. The OXO Good Grips line actually won the Tylenol and Arthritis Foundation Design Award.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yeah, the design has proven real-world value for providing joint relief.
Okay, so it's recognized for actual pain prevention. That is incredible.
Exactly, and it does that at a very affordable price point. It isn't some specialized medical device you have to hunt down. It's accessible everyday health support built right into a standard utility tool.
I mean, consider how truly excellent design solves two problems at once. We usually think of a tool as just completing a task, tackling stubborn dirt on a vegetable.
Right.
But the brilliant secondary function here is how it simultaneously protects the physical health of the person holding it. It makes you wonder what other everyday objects could be redesigned to actually care for you while you use them. You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below. Press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.